Welcome back. In this session, we will be performing some basic calculations in the spreadsheet. Let's get to it. For the purpose of our session, we have an example about enrollment of students for an extra class on our screens. So we see that the number of females who have enrolled for the class are 17 and the number of males is 7. Please note, the efficacy of data is not important here. Our focus is to carry out a few calculations based off of this example. Now, to know the total number of students enrolled for the class, all we have to do is add these two values. So how do we do that in Excel simply? Step 1, click on the cell where you want the answer to go. Step 2, type equal. Next step, like we would do it manually in our heads or while using your calculator, we type in 17 plus 7 and press enter. And we have the right answer. However, this is not a very efficient or error-proof method. One could mistype, and more importantly, if either of these values change, we will have to change the answer to avoid reporting the wrong total. So now, let's do it the Excel way. Again, find the cell where you want the answer, type equal sign, click on the first value that you want to add, that is 17, type your plus sign for addition, click on the second value that you want to add, that is 7, and press enter. We get the right answer again. The advantage here is, if in case the count of enrollment for female or male students change, the total will be updated automatically. For example, here, if the enrollment for boys shoots up to 17, then my total, as you will see on the screen now, is automatically recalculated. For now, I am going to undo the last change and we move on. Now, to know the difference between the two, we need to carry out a subtraction. Again, click on the cell where you want the answer, type in equal sign, click on B3, type in the minus sign, which is just a dash on your keyboard, click on B4 and press enter. Very similar to how we did it for addition. And next, we also want to prepare for our class. We want to check if we need to restock our paper supplies for the students in preparation for the class. Let's say in every class, each student is supplied with 3 sheets of paper. And the total number of classes they will have in a semester for this course is 30. So to arrive at this value, we will need to carry out multiplication. To multiply, we will use an asterisk. Again, click on the cell where you want the answer to be. Start with an equal sign. Select the cell with total number of students value. Type in asterisk symbol. Select the cell with total number of classes. Type in asterisk again. Select the cell with paper requirement number and finally press enter. There you have it. Like to multiply, we use an asterisk. To divide, we use /. Let's have a quick look at an example for division 2. So if we need to make sure that for every 4 students, we have to have at least one instructor, we are going to divide the total number of students by 4. Start by clicking on the cell where you want the result. Start with an equal sign. Click on total number of students, that is 24. Type in the / symbol next. And then click on the cell with students per instructor information and press enter. There you have the answer. So This is a short example of how we work with some basic formulas in Excel. There's another video session coming up very soon where we use the Excel functions and complete a similar problem. Keep an eye out for that one. That's all we have for today. See you soon. Hope you have a good day.